Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week has been a roller coaster in the world of artificial intelligence. This week's AI update comes with some real power moves, tech giants, cutting edge innovations, and serious funding. So let's get started and let's kick off things off with Nvidia. They just announced a massive plan to set up AI chip manufacturing in Arizona. Now that's a big deal. Why? Because up until now, a lot of critical chip production has been happening overseas, mainly in Taiwan. By bringing it to the United States, Nvidia is not only reducing supply chain risks but also setting itself up as the go to AI chip provider in North America. It's a true power move, not just for them but for AI developers who have been struggling with long GPU wait times. This could ease up supply and speed up innovation. Now, here is something straight out of a corporate strategy playbook. Google is offering top DeepMind researchers paid gardening leave. Basically, they get paid to not work for competitors like OpenAI or Anthropic. Let that sink in. They are being paid just to not jump ship. That's how the AI talent market is right now. Companies aren't just fighting over models and hardware, the real war is for brain power. OpenAI is tightening things up. They are going to require identity verification for all API users. This is kind of like KYC, know your customer, but for AI access. It's part of their push to ensure responsible use of their technology. And honestly, with deepfakes, misinformation, and rogue bots on the rise, this was inevitable. For developers, it is an extra step, but one that might help secure the ecosystem in long run. And speaking of OpenAI, they are not just making headlines with policy. They have raised a jaw-dropping 40 billion US dollars. Yes, billion, boosting their valuation to 300 billion dollars. Investor includes the usual giants like Microsoft and SoftBank. So what's the plan for that cash? Think bigger language models, chip R&D, and even robotics. This isn't just about GPT anymore. They are building an empire. Here is a startup story that blew my mind. A company called Jurny just rolled out an AI named Nia that can handle up to 90% of hotel operations, from check ins to cleaning schedules to guest messages. They have already processed over $35 million in bookings and raised $12 million in funding. This is what I mean when I say AI is not the future, it's already changing industries and really fast. From manufacturing chip to managing hotel rooms, AI is reshaping everything. And this week's update are just a taste of what's coming. Whether you are a student, professional, or just curious about AI, now is the time to stay informed, stay curious, and maybe even start building something yourself. If you found this update valuable, hit like, share, and subscribe button with your tech tribe, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.